grade chorus concert with Danny.
Welcome to our first ever 4th grade spring concert. To start off the night, we want to make sure everyone has a smile on their face. I have some cool smiling facts for you tonight. Just smiling can require your body to use up to 53 muscles, but some smiles only use 5 muscle movements. Smiling can improve your physical health too. Your body is more relaxed when you smile, which contributes to good health and a stronger immune system. People can recognize smiles from up to 300 feet away, making it the most easily recognizable facial expression. We have so many things to smile about here at Woodland. Keep smiling. Enjoy the night in our solos by Romisha, Elena, and Marina.
Don't sit in line.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Think of banana splits and licorice and you'll feel fine. I knew a girl so gloomy, she'd never laugh or sing. She wouldn't listen